This is the first time playing the second one. Me and Seth played Overcooked the first time it came out. We're way back when I first started streaming. Seth had blonde hair. Yeah, I have a video of it. You wanna see it? Look at us!
I don't see anything yet.
I honestly don't remember if I played this game on controller.
Look at us! No!
Oh my god.
I get to pick my chef. I could be a whale!
Wow.
Isn't that a narwhal?
It's a whale. Could be a reindeer. Oh, it could be a turtle. I'm being a turtle.
Oh,
Okay.
no, not this one.
Okay,
dude.
I got the chopping. I got the chopping.
I don't know how to
Okay.
pick stuff up.
Well, depending on what you have with the controller, I don't know.
I'm using a key.
What's... Ah, shit.
We're putting too much shit down. We need to pick up this
Oh, what the hell?
and chop it.
Just give the fish? What the hell? I'm so... No.
I need that pan.
Okay, well, what do I do with this?
Can you
Well, drop it.
Over here,
I-
over here, by me, by me, by me.
Okay.
Don't put it on the thing. Just drop it there. Now we need. Oh, look at the menu. You need
Chop shrimp.
this. Yeah, chop shrimp.
Oh, okay.
We don't have shrimp on this side. Shrimp is all you.
Here's a shrimp. Take the, I can't put it down.
Put it on the cutting board right there. Oh. Okay. There.
You gotta chop the shrimp up. Chop, chop, chop.
How do you chop it?
Oh my god, I got it. There you go.
Okay,
And
now
then
here's seaweed.
here's the seaweed for that. And
Plate. I need a plate.
yeah, I got a plate with the seaweed in the same spot. And
Look at the freaking-
cucumber.
Okay.
There's your plated. Yep. Fucking sad. Quit putting stuff on the counter.
I got a chop shrimp. Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna go on this side of the
I don't
counter.
know what my-
Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have to restart this. So on your side, do you only have
serve. I have...
you're the server? Okay. So basically,
So I can wash the dishes and serve.
okay. Alright, so Keel's gonna serve. I will grab the stuff off of the conveyor belt and like plate it. And then you can just chop and cook. Okay, I got the plate.
Okay, you got seaweed.
I got the plate. Yeah.
There's a fish coming there.
Hey, oh, no, that's going in the garbage.
Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta put it on.
Which bell? Wait, what does this do?
You gotta put it on the middle belt.
Reverse it.
Does that make sense, babe?
Can you? I can
See,
reverse
now,
it.
so now you can put it and it will come out on our side.
Okay, one second. Fish coming. Oh, now it's coming. Okay, do you guys need seaweed too?
We need cucumber.
Oh, okay, and chop? Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, chop. I need seaweed. I need seaweed.
Right here.
Reverse it?
This one right here.
Okay.
Fuck.
Okay,
Just
revert it?
get one from a box. Oh no!
Oh
There you
no!
go.
LB over here. Hurry, 12 seconds.
No.
There you go.
What the hell?
It's on the plate. There it is. Fuck. Oh, we're at 1 second. Okay, so that one seemed like a lot. Like I feel like there should be 2 people on the other side, and 1 person on that
Yeah,
side.
but you can't. Like that's what I mean. It's like when you have 3 people, it's kind of like dumb.
Okay, wait.
Recipe.
You just cut the shrimp.
Yeah, just cut it.
You cut the shrimp and you cut the salmon. I got the salmon.
Stuff on it.
I
got
There's 2 salmons.
Oh man. So
I guess I'll plate up and deliver. You guys just chop.
Yep, I'll just chop. I need plates though. So you might have to wash plates or they just pop up. I don't know.
They're just coming here. So you just.
Oh, fuck. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys.
nope, don't deliver it. Why are you delivering that?
Why?
Cause you gotta go on the order.
You gotta go in order. Yeah. Okay, now he's just delivering whatever.
Well, what I did, it says shrimp.
Yeah, so, but,
Yeah, you delivered salmon.
so 2 salmons now.
It's like you said shrimp and then you delivered salmon.
My side, 2 of them. Right there.
Yes.
You can boost. I don't know where your boost key is. Just punch you in the face. Double shrimp! Double shrimp again!
Double shrimp.
Oh no, get it! The salmon! Get the shrimp in! 10 seconds. Push, 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 push.
What the hell, my shrimp is locked.
It's because it's not cut. Get it in! You guys kept hitting each other with the different plates. Yeah. Let's go, dude. We crushed it, boys.
Sir, get the fuck out of the kitchen.
I got it. I got it.
We got random plates. I thought you transfer. What the fuck
He's like, sir, get out of the fucking kitchen, bro.
Rice coming in. Oh, here, on top
Yep.
of it.
Yeah, there you go. Pog.
Yeah, there. Enough. I got it. Right there. Here, got it.
Oh, shit. No, we can get one in. We can get one more.
Oh,
Get it!
you can?
Oh! Get him! You gotta let me put it down before you try to pick it up! I was trying to put it down on the plate and you kept moving me on over, dude.
Okay, then.
Don't plate it, just
Just
put it down.
I fucking died. We're gonna have a fire. Is there no fire in there?
Put him out of the fucking way! God damn it. Oh my fucking god. Maybe Seth should be on this side and I should be cooking. Hello, Seth? Hello? Chicken? We're restarting this. We're restarting this. Seth's really struggling out here. Okay, we're redoing that one. That was terrible. That was day 1 at the office. Oh god, this is the first. Okay, who's doing Frogger?
I'll do Frogger.
Okay, I'll cut. Seaweed.
It's right here, right here.
Seaweed!
Seaweed.
Oh my fucking.
Yes, on top.
There. Or use the right word, god damn it.
Okay, you need to grab more seaweed.
Wash.
No, I'll get it.
Oh, I gotta grab the seed. Okay, I got
Yeah,
it.
you can't.
I got it. I got it. There's that one's right. Okay, seaweed.
You need fish. Shrimp.
Yeah, good. I gotta wash this.
And a plate. We need a blue fish. Got the blue fish.
Shrimp's ready to go.
Okay.
Oh, I got rice. Shit.
I got the plate. I got the plate.
Okay, she's got it. Yeah. The next one needs rice. Hold on.
The shrimp one, right? No.
Yeah, put on this plate on top here.
Oh, right there. Oh, rice. Okay.
Oh,
you-
no! Wait, get the plate! Plate, the fish!
No! Fuck,
Oh,
dude.
so
That wasn't even the worst part. We only got hit once. You're supposed to be following the recipe. Potato. Now we know where our weakest link is. Oh! Oh my god, bro. I can do it! I can do it!